No, like the geodynamo model and modern geology, all kinds of, they're constantly changing what they think that the layers are and the compositions and the density layers. They don't understand. They're constantly changing all of it. This is all interconnected in this giant, wrapped up in a giant pseudoscientific bow, right? Like you have all these assumptions of the geodynamo model, the geomagnetic field within the geology and the specific layers and the makeup of the Earth, and then it's all integrated in with this seismology that's based upon all of those assumptions. And so as that changed, seismological data changes. And this is actually how they just now came out and said, turns out that the Earth's core is actually spinning slower than the Earth. Of course, they're saying that, they said it's turning the other way, right? But what that actually means is that it's spinning slower than the surface. So like if I was on the surface looking down at the core with X-ray vision, and I was spinning faster than the core, it would look like the core is going backwards because it's going slower than me. And the way that they discovered that was by re-examining seismological data, right? So seismology charts, somebody went back and looked at the old earthquake charts and the old wave charts, and they were like, I think we misinterpreted it. I found something here. I found a pattern here. Or it turns out it looks like the core is actually going slower than we thought. It's actually going the opposite way relative to us. So that goes to show you that they're constantly in a state of limbo, that they're constantly shifting and changing, right? If it was such a legitimate science that proved the globe, someone couldn't go back and look at charts from decades ago and be like, oh, turns out the core is going slower, right? You couldn't make such a huge change to the model by re-examining charts that have already been looked at. It's all just assumptions. That's what it is.